Hey, check out this video Wayne Sprague sent to us this week. So why did these critters gather for what Wayne called a squirrel convention on his driveway? Well, we've been taking a look. We suspect they were there licking the road salt that was left behind.
Probably.
Now, by the way, the actual name for a group of squirrels is a scurry, which none of them seemed to actually want to do in that moment. They were just chilling right on the pavement there.
A scurry.
Very good to know, yeah.
Right? Yes. I didn't know that.
I don't. You don't often see a scurry of squirrels.
No, like 2 is the most I think I've seen at a time.
Right.
And I also would have called it a squirrel convention.
Fair
It's just
enough.
easier.
Fair enough.
I use the word scurry a lot on occasion, like scurry away.
Right. Not for a group of
I'm
squirrels.
always going to remember that.
Yeah, see?
A pack of squirrels.
I'm surprised that you're someone who uses that word a lot.
I'm not sure I use it a lot, but like it's in there. I know scurry.
Now I'm going to pay attention when you're talking.
Yeah, we're going to be listening to
Exactly.
everything you say in this forecast now.
I can tell you this much: the mild weather is going to be scurrying away like a pack. Now that there we go. Now that we've got the cold air coming in, we're down in the 30s after being in the 40s much of the day today. There are a few very light showers on the leading edge to the colder air that's starting to move in as this front passes by. And the cold isn't just for us. It's going to extend all the way into the deep south, and even Florida tonight will have a frost in parts of the state. So overnight, the cold comes in from west to east. We start out with temps above freezing. We end up well below by tomorrow morning. There probably are some areas of black ice, so just be aware of that. We shouldn't experience a widespread freeze, though, because there should be some time to dry the roads up. Southern and central Maine tomorrow will have sunshine. It's just going to be cold. However, in northern Maine, there will be more cloud cover tomorrow, and a few snow showers. Could even be a little blowing snow in the breeze up in Aroostook County. Other than the cold and the wind chill, the weather tomorrow is going to be quiet for central and southern Maine. We're just cold. The next system, though, comes in from the west, and it's a clipper that arrives on Saturday. But out ahead of it, there could be some snow showers that form Saturday morning ahead of a steadier burst that comes in for the afternoon and evening with this area of low pressure developing. So we'll give you a closer look here. No problems through tomorrow night, but by Saturday morning, there will be a few snow showers out there during the morning, some flurries in spots too. It might be a slick spot or 2 in the morning, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. It's more likely later in the day we get some steady light snow. Temperatures along the coastline are marginal. We could even have some rain on parts of the mid-coast and down east. While inland it's all snow, and it will be slippery for a time Saturday night, and that's out of here by Sunday morning. In general, it's 1 to 3 inches of snow. There could be a bit less on parts of the coast where the temperatures are a bit higher and there may be some mixing with rain. That's Saturday. Then we get a break for the daylight hours of Sunday. But as we've been talking about, a bigger storm forms on this front off the southeast coast Sunday into Sunday night. The question is its track. We know the storm is going to form. And the latest trends today have been for a more offshore track. How offshore, though, is the question. We don't expect a big hit at this point, but the western edge of the snow could brush the coast and especially eastern Maine Sunday night into early Monday, so that's what we'll be watching for between now and then. Tomorrow sees 6 to 9 feet, gale warning up with westerly winds 20 to 30 knots. So the sun is out for most of us tomorrow. In northern Maine, there could be a few snow showers left over, and it's a cold one. Light snow on Saturday, mainly in the afternoon and evening, but a few snow showers in the morning. We'll watch to see if we get clipped by a little snow Sunday night into Monday morning, and then it's back to the frigid stuff for Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, overnights look bad. Ryan, thanks.
We'll be right back.